Hi, I'm Ernie. I'm with the city's building inspection department. My position with the city is to ensure that all contractors, electricians, and tradesmen are performing their work to the building code and standards. As many people will be hiring several contractors during the next few months, I wanted to provide a few tips that may assist in hiring a contractor, plumbing, or electrical.
The City of Southlake requires all general contractors to be registered. Also, the state requires that all electricians, plumbers, heating and air conditioning, and irrigators to be licensed. Contractors must carry a license on their person at all times, and their vehicle must be identified. By working with the registered contractor, the city may have record of who is working on your home or business. This can ensure that the contractor has all required licensing. You can contact the building department to ascertain such information. Do not rely on anybody's word or handshake. It is critical to know what work the contractor is doing and how much you're paying for the work. If possible, consider speaking to more than one contractor and look at the overall value they provide. Never pay for any project in advance, and be wary of any contractor requesting payment up front prior to any work being started. A small retaining fee or payment for materials may be appropriate. It is not recommended that you pay in cash, and generally, the check should be written to the company, not the individual. Paying with a credit card may provide some recourse should the job not be completed. Also, make sure that your contractor is properly insured. Ask the contractor for a list of work previously performed similar to your project. Ask for references and ensure to check them. The City of Southlake is allowing for any emergency work related to the storm to be completed before permits are obtained. However, the contractor should submit a permit application immediately following the completion of the work and request a final inspection of the work by the city's building inspection department. In addition, you should request from the contractor confirmation of the final inspection prior to final payment of the work. If you would like to read more tips on selecting a contractor, you can visit the City of Southlake's building inspection website. Also, the Better Business Bureau may provide some additional tips on selecting a contractor. If you have any questions, you can contact the Building Inspection Department at 817-748-8236 or 8237 during business hours. Also, you can ask questions online by visiting the Building Inspection's website on the city's webpage.